Welcome to ARTEK Digital, Graphic Design e-Learning Center. The easy and simple way to learn graphic design. Subscribe now, and learn step by step from beginning. The first and most important course material is the Sketchpad and Pencil. First you have to draw basic shapes on paper with pencil. Try to draw triangle first. Draw a line. Then draw second line connected to first line. And draw third line connected both ends of first two lines. The same way you have to draw rectangle, with 4 lines. And draw one ellipse with free hand. Try to draw some other shapes like this, with pencil on sketchpad. Or draw few others you like. No matter, shapes drawn are perfect, or not. But try your best. Graphic design is easy and simple. And it's true. Because I found only 5 objects there, in graphic design. 4 visible. And 1 hidden. Shape is one of visibles. Draw various shapes with pencil on sketchpad. And get ready to learn next lesson. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now, and learn step by step from beginning.